everybody, and welcome back to another video of Cooking with Patrick. This time it's a little bit different. I work with a new camera angle. It's a little bit better. Everything is in picture and not on some small side of the screen. And we are going to prepare one of my favorite recipes tonight. I also made it some time ago with Carolina. She really liked it and I want to improve it a little bit, add in a little bit more vegetables and some, it's a little bit bigger also, but just so I have some dinner tonight for my work and also tomorrow, so I don't have to cook again tomorrow. I can just get home, warm it up, eat and relax. Okay, let's begin. Okay, the things we need tonight are potato discs. You can also buy them normal and cook them, but I'm lazy. Meat, pork or beef, doesn't matter. In Netherlands it's potato different. It's with bacon and onion. It's cream you get through the oven dish. Cilantro, some extra vegetables. So yeah, start up by cutting the coriander, the cilantro. It doesn't really matter if you do it nicely, it just means to get cut up so we can use it in the dish. Also, the pan, warm it up and don't forget to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. So this is fine. Okay, now this needs to warm up. Then we put in the olive oil, just a little bit for cooking. So like this. Yeah. Also need something to cook with, also handy. The plate for the oven. You can pre-butter it so it won't get cooked and it's easy to come loose in the oven. So, oh, and don't forget the cheese for the topping. Also, one thing that's necessary for the perfect finish. Wait, that is hot, okay. Also, I'm not the biggest expert at cooking. I like cooking at home and doing it for Carolina and myself, but I'm not an expert in the kitchen, so yeah, I'm just having fun. Okay, meat is now in the pan. Just add the vegetables, the cilantro, and make one big mix of it, so we can move on to the next phase. Okay, so now we put in the vegetables and everything. And we have one big dish. Okay, so now we are done with the meat and the vegetables, like this. Also smells delicious. So now we are going to put one layer of meat, one layer of potatoes, one layer of the cream and one layer of meat, sort of like a lasagna. And then put it in the oven for maybe 20-30 minutes and it will be done. Delicious. So yeah, let's begin on the first layer. So yeah, this already smells delicious. But it's one of the first steps. So, okay, have the dish, prepare it with butter or it will bake in the oven and you cannot get it any loose. It will be hard and not nice. So, to begin, we take the potatoes, open them up. First half, maybe we don't use the second one and I can save it for later. But the first, just one layer of meat with the vegetables, of course, but it's one mix. So divide it to all the sides. And then one layer of the potatoes. Okay, maybe we speed it up a little bit. Welcome back. So now we finished everything. One piece was correct. It was, I don't need the second one, it's too much. All the meat is gone. One jar, perfect. I can use the other one for another time. Now that all that's left is the cheese and put it in the oven for, what does this say? 30 minutes. Okay, perfect. Cheese, it's alright. Yep. Just cover it up on all the sides, a little bit. If you have a lot, you can use also that. It's for your what you like. Everybody, the one likes more, the one likes less. Oh my god. It's a shame I need to wait for 30 minutes because it already looks delicious and I'm hungry. I just returned from work, but yeah, that's life. Okay, this is ready. Time to put it in the oven. It's preheated to 250 degrees. Yeah. Just need to take something out. Because we don't need oven paper. There it goes. Oh, hot. Set the timer. A little bit hot. 30 minutes. Let's start with there. Put it a little bit less. Was 250 degrees. It's a little bit hot. So yeah, now we play the waiting game. Looks delicious. Timer 30 minutes. So yeah. But the best thing about the video is you can speed up the time. So yeah, here we are 20 minutes later, and look at this beauty. Whew. Perfect and very hot. So now we need to turn off the oven temperature, and we take the beauty out of the oven. But it's just extremely hot, so be always careful if you are working with an oven. It's dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. Even if you know what you're doing, it's dangerous. So stupid comment of me, but forget about it. I'll put you down for a moment and 1 second. Okay, everything's done. We cooked, we waited, and now voilà. La lasagna de vegetables y carne y queso y papas. Sí. Okay. This thing is now just extremely hot. So yeah, I'll wait a few minutes. Nice. I'll wait 5 minutes and let it cool down a little bit. Then we'll get back to it and I will show you our end result. And yeah, let's eat. Hello friends, welcome back. I just scooped it up. It's too hot to film and do everything in the same time. I will burn everything I have. But yes, the end result. It's a lovely dish of potatoes, cheese, meats, vegetables from the oven. And yeah, taste test. Always be careful, it is hot as everything you can imagine. I always eat too hot, burn my mouth, and enjoy it the full evening. Still very hot, but it's delicious. Oh, I'm glad. So I will have something to eat tomorrow from work. Tonight I will just relax on the couch now, watch some television, eat something. And thank you for joining me this evening. And yes, see you later at the next video. I don't know what it is. I did 2 cooking with Patrick. Maybe I'll do a talk with Patrick the next time. I also want to talk about my past with Carolina, how we met, and our love story. And yes, everything that's going on in the Netherlands. If you have questions, question it in the responses, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for joining me this evening. Good night.